Okay, today we're going to be making the Cheddar Bay Biscuits. I'll show you how to properly measure out your flour, and we're actually going to weigh out the cheese. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to get your dry ingredients, so we're going to go ahead and get our flour. Okay, the proper way you want to measure out your flour, you're going to get your bowl, you're going to get your flour, get it just like that. Again, you don't want to press it down, but you do want to use your either you can use your rubber scraper or you can use one of these offset spatulas. Place it in. Okay, next thing is your baking powder, 2.5 teaspoons. Okay, so again, flat, 1, 2, and then you look for your 1/2 teaspoon. Same thing, flat, in. Okay, then you need 2 teaspoons of sugar. Add that in. 3/4 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. We add the 3/4 teaspoons of the Old Bay seasoning, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, do not use garlic salt, garlic powder, and then you have your dry ingredients. The next step is to just mix it up. Make sure they get incorporated. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and measure out in a liquid measuring cup. Okay, so when you're doing any kind of liquid, it should be a liquid measuring cup so you actually could see. And again, we need 4 ounces of whole milk, so we're going to go at 4 ounces, which is a 1/2 cup. Get your milk in. Remember, level surface. Next step is to measure out 2 ounces of butter. So you want to do that on a scale. I'm going to show you exactly how we want to do this. So you'll place your butter right on the scale, and we have 1.9, which is roughly about 2 ounces. That's good enough. And then you know you have the accurate amount. Okay, on the butter you're going to go ahead. On the butter you want to cut it into small little pieces, and then you're going to add it into your flour. So cut this way. If you want to stack it just like that. And then you'll add this into your flour. Get that all mixed up. Okay, we also want to weigh out 2 ounces of cheese, so we'll get that. And we have exactly 2 ounces. That'll go in our bowl. Again, we'll mix that all in. Then you're going to add your milk. And it's always good to add it all around the center. Use your fork to mix it up. Like so. You don't want to overwork it. It should be a little runny. Get it incorporated. And that's about it. You're all ready to go. So then what you're going to do is you're going to get your pan. Okay, so then basically what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and use your scooper. Scoop it out. And here's your fifth one. And then we'll get those into the oven. There you go. Okay, you're going to get your parsley. Chop it up really fine. Then you're going to remove from oven. Brush with some butter. And hit it with a little parsley on the top. And you have your Cheddar Bay Biscuits.